السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to Umar Academy. In this video, we are going to learn Wudu step by step. So make sure you subscribe my channel. Step 1. Make niyyah, intention, to perform wudu and say Bismillah in the name of Allah before starting wudu. Step 2. Wash your hands up to the wrist 3 times, making sure that the water has reached between fingers. Step 3. Take water with your right hand and put it into your mouth and rinse thoroughly 3 times. Step 4. Take water with your right hand, splash it into your nose, and blow it out with your left hand 3 times. Step 5. Wash your whole face 3 times repeatedly. The whole face is from the right ear to the left ear, and the forehead to the bottom of the chin. Step 6. Wash your right arm thoroughly from top to elbow 3 times. Step 7. Wash your left arm thoroughly from top to elbow 3 times. Step 8. Move the palm of the wet hand lightly over the head, starting from the top of the forehead to the back of the head, to the neck, and then bringing them back to the forehead. Step 9. Rub the grooves and holes of both ears with the wet index fingers, while also passing the wet thumbs behind the ear. Step 10. Wash your right foot to the ankle 3 times. Make sure that the water has reached between toes and without forgetting the heel. Step 11. Wash your left foot to the ankle 3 times. Make sure that the water has reached between the toes and without forgetting the heels. Step 12. At the end, say this dua: Ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Allahumma ij'alni min at-tawwabin waj'alni min al-mutatahhirin.